welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys all 5 ways of how to use the Baby Trend high chair. I've been using this high chair for the past 2 years because my daughter is obviously 2, and I absolutely love this chair, and I'll show you guys why. It's also a really good chair if you guys live in an apartment and you guys don't have a lot of space, but keep watching and I'll tell you why. So before we head on with this video, if you are new here, welcome, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure to do that right now before we keep going. Alright guys, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so this is the first way, which is for the babies. So if you guys want to sit them down and feed them their bottles and stuff like that, you can definitely lower the seat and you can buckle your baby in so they are safe and won't move, and you're able to give them their bottles and stuff like that. And this is how you do if you want to lower the high chair. So like that, and you can lower it all the way down here, so it looks like this, and it has this level, it has this level right here, and it has this one right here, which is a little higher, which is preferable, and then you can lift it all the way up so your baby is sitting straight. This is the next step. When your baby is old enough to sit up straight, you can buckle your baby in and they can eat their food, and I really like this because it rolls. So you can definitely bring this to the kitchen if you are cooking or if you're busy, or you can bring it next to your table so the baby can eat with you. You can just roll it everywhere you go in the house. So this is also one thing I like about that. And right here you can lock your chair so that it won't be able to move. So that's also one thing I really like about this. And then another thing I also really like is this right here. Basically when your baby is finished eating, you just pop this off and you could go wash it, and when it's clean you can just pop it back on and your baby is ready to eat for the next meal. To take this off, underneath there's a hook in the middle, and you just want to press it, and then so it's this part right here, and then to put it back on you just do this, hold it, and then here you go. So now I'm gonna show you guys what they call the toddler seat, which I think it's unnecessary, but I'm just gonna show you guys just in case. So basically on both sides you have this gray piece right here, and on the other side you have it too. It's right here. So you want to click them both, and then you can put the high chair on a lower level, so it will look like this, so your toddler can eat at a lower level. But yeah, you can roll this with you, so that's cool, but I feel like next to a table this is really low, so that's why I'm not using this for that, but you definitely can. So it will look like this. So this is your toddler seat right there. Also here, when you buckle your child in, it's just like their strollers. You buckle just like that. And then you can adjust for your kids over here and on the sides as well. And to take this off, you just press in the middle, they both click off. And there you go. Also, another thing I like about this is that this has like a cushion, and all of this is washable. You can put this in the washing machine and it won't ruin it because I've done it already before. Also, right here we have this piece so that they can rest their feet. You can change it to different levels, so this is one, and then on the side over here you can click, and then that's how it will change it. And now I'm gonna show you guys how to take the seat off, and it's super easy. So the first thing you want to do is take this off if you're gonna attach this on the chair. So to take this piece off, you want to press on this button right here and on this at the same time. So I'm gonna show you guys. And now I got this piece off. So now we're gonna take the seat off. So for that, you have one button over here on this side and on this side as well. And then you take the seat off. The cool thing about this is that you can simply fold it on this side and this side. You just press on both of them at the same time and it folds. So now you can store this away in one of your closets. So now I brought you my chair for my table. So I'm gonna show you guys how to install the seat on here. So at the bottom over here, you want to take this down and then you will see your little buckles over here. So you have this and this, and then on this side and this side, slide it open. Ta-da! You have one over here, and you slide this one open, and here's another one. Also, in the back of the seats, so you just know, you can switch these and put them in these holes. That way it's lower, and then you can put it up high when your baby gets bigger, and same for over here. Okay, so now my seat is on the chair, so all you have to do is take the two buckles and buckle it under the chair so that it's safe. And then you want to tighten it as much as you can so that it stays stable on the chair. And in the back, you have another buckle. And you want to attach it also in the back of your chair and adjust it so that it's nice and safe for your toddler. So right now my daughter is sitting on this chair just how it is right now. And since she is still too short to reach the table level, you are still able to use this piece, which is amazing. And you can still take it off and wash it, so this is really cool. And this is at her height, so she could eat properly. So then the next step is when your baby is older and taller, you can take this piece off and you can put this at your table. So there you go. I showed you all 5 steps. And like I said, I really love this chair because it converts itself in 5. And yeah, so let me know if you guys already purchased it and how you guys like it. Let me know also down in the comments if you have any questions, and I would be happy to help you guys. Oh, and stay tuned for my next video. I'm going to show you guys how to take the fabric off so that you are able to wash it in the washing machine, and how easy it is to reinstall it back on. So stay tuned for that video. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, comment down below, and guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, have a good day. Bye.